In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in the Sendwave app. Let's dive right in and get started. Changing the language on your app can be incredibly beneficial, especially if you want to navigate the app in your native language or prefer a different language for easier understanding. Here's a straightforward way to go about it. First, you'll want to open your device and head straight to the settings. This is the control center of your device and the place where you can make changes to how your phone or tablet functions, including language preferences for individual apps. Once you're in the settings, you will need to locate the section labeled Apps. This section might also be called Applications or App Manager depending on your device's manufacturer. Essentially, this is where all your installed apps are listed, allowing you to manage each one individually. With the Apps section now open, scroll through the list and search for Sendwave. If you have a lengthy list of applications, you can make use of the search bar, typically located at the top of your screen. Type in Sendwave and it should appear in the results. Tap on it once you find the app. Here, you'll see a range of options specific to the Sendwave app settings. Now, within the Sendwave app settings, you'll see an option related to language. It might be nestled under a Preferences tab or something similarly labeled. If you're unsure, keep an eye out as the icon or text prompt might indicate language settings. Here, you can add or change the language. Select the language you prefer from the list presented. Often, apps offer a wide range of languages, so you should be able to find what you need. After selecting your desired language, make sure to confirm your selection. This might involve tapping a Save or Apply button, or simply exiting the menu, which automatically saves your changes. At this point, the Sendwave app should immediately reflect your new language choice, allowing you to navigate the app more comfortably in the language that suits you best. And there you have it. That's how you change the language in the Sendwave app. This straightforward process ensures you can use the app in a language that's most familiar to you, making your experience more seamless and enjoyable. If you found this tutorial helpful or have any other questions about apps and settings, feel free to leave a comment or check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day navigating the Sendwave app.